So welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make the exit system for our vehicle. So yeah, let's get started. So because now we have destroyed the third person character here when we entered the vehicle, so we don't have access to the third person character, and also because we have possessed the sports car, so that means cannot run functions inside the third person character. So now the third person character is not of our use for the exit system. So we need to go to the sports car pawn, and let me just delete this box. And we need to create an F key here because now we need to we need to run functions inside the sports car to get out of this vehicle. So get to the viewport and press add and make a box collision. Oops, sorry, box collision, and this should be outside the seat of the player. So for instance, the player, if you want the player to leave from here, then this here, or else here. It will be used to get the location of the player, so you can keep it anywhere wherever you want the player to exit from. So for instance, you have a bus, so you can just keep it on all the doors and exit from whatever gate you want. And now on the event graph, you need to get this box and then get actor, oh sorry, get world location, and on here make a spawn actor from class node, select the third person character, and on the spawn transform we need to split it so that we can get the location, rotation, and scale of the actor. We don't need to do anything with the scale, we just need to do the location. And if you want the rotation, you can just check the red direction. So the red direction is always the forward direction. So what you need to do is you can get world rotation of the box and just put it on the actor rotation so that the player would be facing the red thing whenever he spawns. And now we need to give him the controls back. So we need to get the current controller of this vehicle, and we need to check if it is valid, or else it can give you an error if it is not valid. And but the process was half, like maybe you had just entered the vehicle and the process of the controller is in process, so it would give you an error. So better you check whether the controller is valid or not, and if it is not valid, then just add a delay of 0.2 seconds and get it back. So whenever it becomes valid, the delay will this loop will end and we get the is valid thing. And on is valid, we need to possess it, make a possess node, is valid, and the pawn would be this BP third person character. And let's make it exit system, and here. So let's see, if we press F here, nothing happens. Now here it does, and let's press F. Oops, something was wrong. We got into the thing, like into the ground. So yeah, you can see the location of this is below the vehicle, so we need to drag this up a bit. We don't have the bar for the box. I can't. Oh yeah, we need to press on this to see the bar, sorry, and just drag this up here. Now if we play and press F, we get into the vehicle, we press F again and we get out. But our vehicle, if we are on a full speed thing and we press F, we get out, but the vehicle is going like crazy. So we need to apply the handbrakes whenever we get out of the vehicle. So we need to get this, oops, we need to get this vehicle component, and you can search for handbrake and set handbrake to true, so that vehicle stops realistically. like it has lost controls. And now if I press F, we are going with full speed now, and we press F, the handbrakes are now applied, as you can see here. But looks like it was too fast to be stopped quick. Let's check the difference if we have a vehicle without handbrake. We're gonna also add a reverse throttle, so that the vehicle can get double braking action. Yeah, so let's go here, and we can input the brake thing. So let's get throttle input, sorry, get brake input, and apply this here. And make this one. Now we press F. We get into the vehicle. Let's go quick and press F. You can see they are applying the vehicle because, sorry, they are applying the brakes, because when we play, let me just show you. You will see lines like this which show that this code has been run. So let me get full speed and I press F. You see that code ran. So that means the brake has been applied, but the car is too quick to stop. And you can edit the engine settings here, so that you can reverse as a brake, and you can give everything torque and increase the brake input. So yeah, that is it for this video. Now everything else depends upon how you creatively want to make the vehicle. So yeah, that is it for this video. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.